Money, money, money. The year is 1976, and this Europop band is raking in the cash from a string of hit singles. For most of us, money doesn't come quite so easily. We work day in and day out to pay the bills, and there never seems to be much left over. Take this young couple, for example, Joseph and Prudence Cash. They're having a great time, but what Prudence doesn't know is that Joseph spent this month's food budget on getting these concert tickets. This course is designed to help you take control of your finances. The world has moved on since the 1970s, but as much as the financial climate has changed, there are some common sense good habits to managing your money that remain solid and unchanging. Now, while we can't dispense specific financial advice, what we can do is outline the principles of sensible budgeting and underline its importance. So, let's get to work.